Hi friends, how are you all? Coming after a long time for a talk. So long I was busy doing all my kitchen videos, cooking recipes. I'm sure you are following them. Few of them you are, I know. So tell me something about yourself. Tomorrow is Makar Sankranti. That's the auspicious festival of all the Indians, you know. So what do we do actually? We dedicate this festival to the sun, which is called Surya. And most of the Indians on this day, I'm sure they must be having khichdi for lunch. I like khichdi very much, and of course, it is celebrated in every year. I think it's celebrated in the month of January, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th. One of these days. So yeah, and we all have pithe, Bengali pithe. I'm very fond of that. Uh, so yeah, do you take dip in rivers? Because quite a few of them do take dip in rivers. We have various rivers in India. Of course, the most important, of course, is Ganges, which is called Ganga. And apart from that, we have Yamuna, then Godavari, Kaveri. Just people go and take a dip in water to clean and to purify themselves from all the sins. It's nice festival. And since it happens in winters, I mean, which is of course a very comfortable season for all, so we all like it. I think Makar Sankranti means somewhat what is a transition from zodiac signs you have from one Rashi to another. So something of that sort. Of course, nowadays everything you can find in Google. But yeah, our parents and grandparents used to celebrate it like anything. I don't celebrate much. I don't take dip in water in rivers. Of course, I do make khichdi. You can offer pujas. Puja though we all do every day. My mother and my grandmother, they used to make pithe. It's a very famous thing of this Sankranti thing. So I don't make pithe. Uh, so it's a nice festival. Just as we have Pongal and all those festivals. I mean, various states have various festivals. It's so nice. India is so unique, if you see in that way. Every state has its own festival. A few of the festivals, of course, are national one, which is celebrated by all the people in India, especially the Hindus. But every state has its own festival. For example, in Bengal we have Durga Puja, in Maharashtra we have Ganesh Puja, in Bihar we have Chhat Puja, Pongal is from Kerala. So various states, various pujas. All throughout the year we keep on celebrating pujas. It's so nice. It gives an excellent feeling. It gives an excellent feeling. How many of you are very excited for tomorrow's Makar Sankranti? And because of the Sankranti, what happens for the past few days? I mean, all over India, as it is winter, most of the days are foggy. But here in Bangalore, where I stay, it's not foggy, but it's very cloudy. No rain, but very cloudy. So today we can get a little bit of sun. We got, I mean, in the afternoon time, after 1 o'clock. Now it's almost, what's the time? 3 o'clock. Just now I had finished my khichdi lunch with papad fry. Mostly we have vegetarian on these days, but it's okay. I mean, it's up to you. If you want to have non-veg, you can have non-veg. There is no hard and fast rule. God is for everybody and there will be no sin. So see, my fighter plane is giving me a lot of problems. My house is very close to this, airport, where all those new pilots they take training. So it's Monday to Friday, every day, from 9 to 5, you get to hear these kind of sounds. Anyway, so yeah, So please celebrate your Makar Sankranti well. Stay safe. Keep social distancing. Don't take dip in water in rivers now, in this year actually. Every year it's fine, but not in this year. Because health is first. Health is wealth. If health is there, you can win everything in life. If health is gone, everything is gone. All money, property, everything comes later. First is health. So please look after your health, stay safe, stay fine. That's all. Please write to me in the comment section. I would love to hear your comments, everything. And okay, bye. See you in my next vlog. This is my vlog where I have not shown my any kitchen recipe. Always I'm in the kitchen. If I go out, I'll be doing some vlogs, travel places, of various places, and of course I'll upload them in my this channel, Indian Mom Simple Lifestyle. Please do like, share if you like my vlog, and of course give me lots of recommendations to improve. Okay, bye.